We are live. Hello, everyone. What's going on? My name is Rod, Crypto Dynasty. Uh, I hope everyone is doing well today. Today, I'm going to talk about XP token from Ripple. Um, I want to talk about the latest news regarding XRP. Um, let's start right away, and I will read an article and give my insight on what's going on with XP. Okay, this article, I'm going to read some paragraph from this article. Ripple joined new digital dollar initiative to help explore solution for US CBDC program. Okay, Ripple will participate in a new initiative from the Digital Dollar Project, a nonprofit organization to find CBDC solution for the United States. The new initiative, called the Technical Sandbox Program, will be launched in October with cross-border payment the first issue on the agenda. In addition to issue the cross-border operation, where given the specific of Ripple, the scope of the company expertise is clear. The program planned to be a place where participants can propose approach to implementation of the state of cryptocurrency for the technological, business, and political point of view. In addition to Ripple, such a company as a Knox Network, AM Tech, and Digital Asset will also participate in the initiative. According to a press release from Dollar Digital Project, the participation of a diverse set of companies will ensure a variety of opinion and approach to finding solution for the US CBDC. He assumed that the process of finding solution will be divided into two phases. During the first phase, participants will develop methodological approach and the CBDC area. During the second pilot phase will use case application of the state cryptocurrency and their impact on the business process will be tested. Now, on the second part of the article, the sub lawsuit did not affect Ripple reputation much. Despite the extremely aggravated long court battle between Ripple and the SEC, the lawsuit against the company does not seem to have affected the company reputation at all. Ripple expertise in technical and crypto business solution, whether it's a cross-border payment or liquidity provision, are still are, are still highly valued by all partners and remain of strong interest to new one. It's funny the company will now work in digital currency of the country where it's been prosecuted. I agree with that. XRP token is on demand, and the government try the SEC agency, that's a government agency, and they try to grab or take control of XRP because they see the potential of XRP, and everybody know XRP will replace the Swift protocol, and it will definitely work with different digital currency. But the good part with XRP, it it's will be the new global currency, but it will not be owned by one country. And also, it will be it will be decentralized for the most part, but the government will try to link their digital currency with Swift because it's the transactions are extremely fast with the XP token, contrary to the Swift protocol they're using the last 60 years. Okay, now let's go to the next article. Now we can see the movement of the market. Even though we are in a bear market, we can see um, the whale, basically big retail investor, for most part, uh, corporation or venture capitalists or people like Warren Buffett, they are buying XRP. So we have this article that mentioned uh, 1 billion of XP unlocked by Ripple as well as Shift, 404 million token. So basically, let me read this out. This paragraph. San Francisco-based blockchain service provider Ripple has released another huge amount of XP token 1 billion, which is unleashed only on the first day of each month. Meantime, we have shipped nearly half billion of XP via the top crypto exchange, pushing 180 million in single chunk. Ripple withdraw 1 billion XP. As reported, a whale other on-chain data platform that track large crypto transactions. Earlier today, on September 1st, report fintech firm withdraw a billion XP from escrow. This tremendous amount of crypto was extracted in three sections, bringing 400 million, 200 million, and 300 million XP. Ripple has been unlocking this big lump of XP since 2008 with a goal to support the token liquidity as rule. Only around from 100 to 200 million or XP are added to supply and circulation, and the rest get locked back in an escrow. According to Ripple website, the company planned to make 50 raise from escrow, plus withdraw 55 billion XP. Therefore, it should have ended this operation earlier this year. However, Ripple continued to release billion token the first day of a new month. 1 billion XP worth 237 million as the current exchange rate. So we can see on Whale Alert on the social media, probably Twitter, we can see the to release token from the escrow, and of course, people can buy. And most of the time, the big well also big corporation are buying XP also. Okay, let's go to the next article. We can see more and more bank and corporation jumping on the crypto universe, and they are buying AXP, Bitcoin, Ethereum. This article: Qatar Central Bank issued first digital payment license. Qatar Central Bank (QCB) announced in tweet Tuesday, August 30, that issued the first license for digital payment. The two companies that provide electronic payment service are paid by Vodafone Qatar and Ooredoo Money. The central bank said that the lesson represents an initial step to include all companies providing digital payment services under the supervision of Qatar Central Bank to contribute to the development of the financial technology sector and its financial inclusion. As Qatar prepares to host the FIFA World Cup, the winter the country is moving to enhance its digital payment infrastructure in anticipation of surge of foreign visitors. Last week, the country saw the launch of Global Pay digital wallet. A new QCB tweet that all global digital wallet services for cards such as Apple Pay and Samsung Pay are now accepted in Qatar, enabling visitors, especially during the World Cup, to proceed and complete the digital payment. So that's another example of bank and jumping the crypto universe. In there using crypto, and also we have different platforms like Google Play that offered the possibility to use crypto also. So that's another good news. So after the crypto went through, we can expect the price of the crypto token to skyrocket. So don't worry about the fund, and if you can keep stacking and accumulate token. So I will go to the next article quickly. second. Oh, sorry, that's my mistake. That's the same article. Okay, one more article quickly. Okay, I'm going to read a few paragraphs on this article on the website coindesk.com. Market EXP lead recovery among major cryptocurrency. Fed policymaker back 75 basis point hike. Two of the at the central bank favor higher rate increase to beat price pressure even if it means slowing growth. Major cryptocurrency recovered over the past 24 hours and broader equity market, strengthening even a two U.S. Federal Reserve policymaker call for higher rate increase in the incoming month. XP rose more than 5%, leading gain as the Bitcoin broke 22,000 early Asian hour on Friday. Market capitalization almost touched 1 trillion mark, reaching level last seen in early June before systematic risk from within the crypto market and bleak macroeconomic outlook lead to the steep decline. Bitcoin traded about 21,600 at publication time, extending weekly gain to more than 10%. Ethereum at 3%, while Solana, Cardano, and BNB showed nominal gain. Some analysts, however, remain neutral about prospect of long-term Bitcoin recovery considering the sentiment and broader equity market. The only Bitcoin bottom seen for me% data showing that inflation is currently inflecting down. Same market Sorius, analyst of crypto broker global blog. This should result of Federal Reserve becoming less aggressive in their money policy and therefore provide confident liquidity crisis in the crypto market. Policymaker back a higher rate hike. However, in separate comment on Thursday, Fed called Christopher Waller of semi-Fed President Jim Bullard back at higher rate increasing in the coming month even at the cost of slow growth. Higher rate will increase the chance of recession and consumer spending less, potentially hurt the price of equity as the company meets revenue target. That will likely feed through to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency. Crypto assets have tracked growth and decline on the broader equity market in recent months. We need to move to a much more restrictive setting in terms of interest rate and policy, and we need to do that as quickly as possible. What they said Tuesday during a webcast hosted by National Association for Business Economics. I'm definitely in support of doing saying 5 basis point like July, probably 15 September, Walker say. Adding the 25 basis point I could then be caught after that. Considering the Fed will tip the US and 2% were available, he said that is a good shot of the economy having in soft landing. I think it will make a lot of sense to go with 75 addition to what I say. Advocate continue to advocate getting 3.5 this year, and you can see where we are and see the artificial development at this point. Okay, this article missing maybe one point. Last week, Mr. Paul from the Fed said it will bring some pain, so we can expect the rate to rise much more than 75 point, and we can expect more layoff because we already have some layoff. Some company already got layoff some people like those segment, and more company will lay off when they miss uh, their revenue target, and with the inflation and make things worse, and we can expect a stock market crash in the next few weeks or day. Therefore, a lot of retail or hedge fund already use the liquidity from crypto, and therefore the price will probably remain low for a few months, maybe 1 year. So I believe it's still time for the next to invest, maybe right now or the next few weeks, or in crypto. The price is cheap, and that's the opportunity to buy for cheap. Also, uh, any potential investor need to do their diligence and do their own research. I'm not a financial advisor, but what I can say, uh, I can share my insight, and also I strongly suggest to do your own research. But I believe the spring is coming. It may take a few months or maybe 1 year or 2 year, but spring is coming. But in the meantime, do your research and invest your money wisely. Um, we can see XRP is on the global scene. A lot of corporation, bank, and government want to use AXP with the digital currency, and a lot of platform and corporation are accepting AXP also for the payment. So XRP have a potential to be greater than Bitcoin, much greater. So don't don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click on the like button if you like this video. Send the video to your friend, your family, and if you want to support my PayPal, link is on the description. And you can also visit my online store, Redbubble and Teespring. So if you have any question, leave it a question or the comment on the comment section. I will respond as soon as possible. And have a great day. Until next time. Bye bye.